I'm Rob Lindgren, and I'm a faculty member here in the College of Education at the University of Illinois. And this is the IDEALL Lab, which is the Illinois Digital Ecologies and Learning Lab. This is a space where we have a number of exciting projects going on, all looking at different ways to apply technologies to learning environment.
The lab gives us the opportunity to bring in groups of students to try out the types of technology that we've developed and collect data on multiple groups at the same time on the teacher and what the teacher is doing, and really start to understand what are the affordances of the technologies that we're building and how do they support learning.
We've got projects involving games and simulations, interactive and immersive experiences that we're prototyping within this lab, mobile devices, tabletop devices, large touchscreen displays that people can interact with. And this is meant to be a space where students and faculty members here at the university can develop and try out new ideas around interactive learning.
We can work on a prototype, we can test it immediately. We can get kids in here and have them play the game, get wonderful numbers of angles, and kind of really figure out what's going on without doing, thousands of tests and setting up hundreds of cameras all the time.
We have this kind of private space that's away from a lot of noise. It has a lot of technology and other assets at our disposal that really give us a great place to invent and do things that we would probably not be able to do otherwise.
Conducting this research in IDEALL allows us to collect data on all the groups simultaneously while they're working on this activity. Rather than bringing numerous cameras into their classroom, we get to bring the students into our lab space and the cameras just roll easily. It means the cameras are not in the students' way, they're not terribly aware of them, so they can get on with their normal work, and we can collect much higher quality audio data than we could do in a typical classroom. We have a lot of research that tells us about how groups work with technology in small groups, but we know a whole lot less about how we implement it in classrooms. So that's what this work is going to allow me to do.
These technologies are helping us mimic how people really solve problems, and there's some big problems to solve. So if we want to answer science questions or social questions or things that really impact society, this is a great way to have new tools in our toolkit to reach those challenges. And I think we're going to need them.